stick weld. Just to do a quick run through, we actually have our, what I like to call, our handle. It's actually where we put the rod. Look at it, it opens up. You see kind of like the rounded part inside that the rod sticks into. Talking about that part. We are going to be using a 60-13 today. 60 represents, the first two numbers represents tensile strength, and that's what we're going to be using today. I have my welding gloves, two of course. I have my chipping hammer, of course my rod, and I have an auto darkening helmet here. I do have have my glasses on, so before we even get started, you want to make sure you have your ground clamp on. Your unit, in this case, is off. I have it set to 135, just so it doesn't burn as hot. I actually kind of weld a little bit better when I have it on 135 versus like the 150 that I would use. In this case, I'm going to keep it on 135 this time, so I can lay a few beads down, and just make sure around your work area is kind of clean. You don't want to trip over nothing. You don't want to accidentally spark or arc anything that you're not welding, because then you could end up welding that to a table or have other issues. So today I'm going to be doing just a little bit on just two pieces, or just a single piece, just to lay a bead down two different ways. I have a circular motion that when you're welding you kind of do like a circular motion, or I have one that's like a half moon. You kind of, we're going to go from there. I'm going to go and get my pieces started and be right back with you. I'm going to go ahead and run a few beads now and see what we come up with. Got both of them done. See that one, they're still hot. I'm going to go ahead and chip away the top one. Chip the slag away from the bottom one. Alright, what we're looking at now, these are, I did my half moon, and here I kind of did my circles, and I found out I do not have that much control doing circles as I do a half moon. I can keep the puddle moving a lot nicer and a lot smoother, which works better for me. Thank you for watching, and my next video I'll be a lot better at welding. Thank you.